Right, hey guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick video here to show you how to use IBO Toolbox to just build some backlinks to your blog. And what I usually do, or what I have done so far today, I just kind of got this idea and went ahead and did it because it's the same idea I use with my Google Plus account when I go and put my blog posts on that account, and I also have a backlink for Google Plus on my blog. I have a backlink from IBO Toolbox on my blog right now, and then I take blog posts from my blog and I put them on IBO Toolbox. So what I'm about to do right now, I just hit add links, wait for it to clear. I go over to my blog, which is here, and let me go right here. Just gotta wait on this. Gotta wait on it to load for a second. I just choose. This thing's moving kind of slow. Just be patient with me. That's not okay. So I just go and grab one of my posts. See which one I'm gonna grab here. Probably grab an older one. Just be patient with me. I get one that's got a little shorter title. I'm gonna I'll take this one here. So I just take the title, copy it, go ahead and put it as my text, and I come back, click into it. I gotta wait on this to load again, so I'll just get my link, then I put it in the link address right here, come back, make sure just put it there, and then I hit save. Alright, so I just made another backlink to my blog. So right now, so far today, I've created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backlinks, and this is on IBO Toolbox. IBO Toolbox is an authority site, so that will help with the rankings for my blog. Alright, just wanted to shoot that. Thank you guys. We'll see you later.